So here we are, right back where we left off, in the Edit Portfolio item screen for the Lord of the Rings: The Two Towers. And what I've done is I've come over here and I've right-clicked and I've opened up the testimonial screen over here. So it has all the testimonials here. And what I want to do is I want to begin to create some testimonials for the Lord of the Rings: The Two Towers. Now, we're also going to be adding that in here. Under press right here. If you look at the tabs right here, you'll see one of the choices is press, and you'll notice video and press both look identical. They have this little add content elements and add text block with a single click. And I could click this right here and add a text box like that, but I don't want to do that. I actually want to add a testimonials block, but I can't do that yet because the page builder isn't going to recognize or give me a category for the Lord of the Rings: The Two Towers, because we don't have these categories in here yet. So we don't have any testimonials in there yet. So under that category, so what we're going to do is we're going to create some testimonials. So now I could come down here to this menu and click Add New, but if I'm already on here, I can just click Add New right up here. It's going to add a new testimonial. I've got them already prepared right here. Click on Games Revolution. That's our first testimonial. I'm going to put Games Resolution here and Game Revolution there. Then I'm going to copy and paste in the primary content. And I'm using the visual editor over here so that we can preserve the bolding and the remainder of the formatting on the text. And now I need to give it a category, but the category isn't in there. So I need to add a category for it. I'm going to add Lord of the Rings: The Two Towers. Okay, then I'm just going to click Add New Category. Now I've got this added and automatically selected, which is what I want. Now I can publish this. So now that I have this published, come over here. Now we're going to go back down here. Get rid of this. These things annoy me. And we're going to hit Add Content Elements, and I'm going to click on Testimonials. Now, it added it in below this. You'll notice it didn't add it in right there. It's okay. I'm just going to grab this. I'm just going to drag it up there. I'm not going to shrink it in size. I want it to go all the way across. But I'm going to click our little pencil there to get our editor. And it's going to say, I'm going to come down here, and it's going to say which testimonial categories do I want. And I want Lord of the Rings: The Two Towers. And it's in there now because not only do we create the category, but we also published a testimonial. If we had not published the testimonial, that would not be there right now. So, testimonials order, you can either choose random or latest. I'm just going to leave it at random. It says number of items. We're going to get rid of that because we want them all to show up. If you want it all to show up, it just says leave blank to show all testimonials, and that's what we want. Text size, normal. We could make it larger if we wanted to. Pagination, we're not going to have any pagination. We just want them to show up all at once. Testimonials page link. No, if we had a separate page that showed testimonials for absolutely everything, then we may want to link to that, and we could do that there by clicking on yes, but we're not going to do that. So we're going to come down here. We're just going to click Save. Then update. Sorry. So now when we go to the front of our site, we go into our Lord of the Rings: Two Towers and come down. Oh, sorry, the page hasn't finished loading yet. Looks funny until it gets loaded. There we go. And we come to press. Now we see we have our testimonial from Games Revolution in there. So that's how you add a testimonial to the system and how you add a testimonial block to the tabs in the WordPress admin interface.